At the law offices of Charles B. Smith, what sets us apart from other attorneys is my background, my experience, and my preparation. I started off at working as a police officer in San Mateo County. That allowed me to see things from the police point of view, and it allows me to see mistakes or problems or issues with their procedure. Working for the district attorney's office for almost 12 years and prosecuting over 100 cases, everything from drunk driving to special circumstance murder cases, has given me an intricate knowledge of the tactics that prosecutors use and allows me to know how to counter them. It also has given me a tremendous insight into forensics and the problems and limitations that crime labs have, and how evidence at first blush can look one way, but on closer examination shows that what they think it proves is something completely different. Most important, I think, however, is preparation. We limit how many cases we take so we can give each client the attention to detail that they need. We also treat our clients not as cases, but as people. There's no judgment in this firm. We all realize that people make mistakes. Our job isn't to judge you. Our job is to fix the problem and help you get through it. We handle things in the best interest of the client. Not what is expedient, not what gets us the most money, but what gets the client in the best situation so they can move on with their lives.